Gah! Oh! Spike ball of destruction, yeah!
Welcome back to Monkey Ninja Games on another episode of Let's Recreate the Ping series. Ping. Ping pong. Ping pong ping. Pong ping pong. Ping pong ping pong. Pong. The Pong series. So we have created Pong. Now, it is time for us to recreate. Bro, what is up with the headband? It's Monkey Ninja Games. It signifies the originality of the channel. Psh, lame. Don't start with me. You want a banana to go with that? Monkey Ninja Games? Okay, don't be such a Did somebody need a banana? You're not helping. Look guys, I have a lot to do and not a lot of time to do it. We'll discuss this later, okay? Yeah, I guess. Okay? Okay. Now then, let's recreate. So we have created Pong. Now is the fun part where we get to recreate, where we get to add new stuff to it, make it something new, play with it, but not make eye contact. Too much? Yeah, sorry. So I jotted down a few ideas. I actually came up with a lot of ideas, but I'm gonna try to keep this video reasonably long, no more than usual. So let's get on with some of my ideas. So one of the ideas I had was to actually change out the paddle and the ball. How interesting would it be if you had Pong with something other than a ball getting knocked around by two paddles? It's so basic. So let's put something new in their place. So what do I think would be fun to have for the paddles? How about something you usually wouldn't want to hit repeatedly? A bunny! Not only that, but he also has animations. Perfect. So every time that he gets hit with the ball, we can do the hurt animation for more realism. Don't give me that look, okay? No animals were harmed in the making of this game. IRL anyways. So, here's our bunny. Now, we want him to look towards the center, so give him a little rotation. And then, so since we're using the bunny as a replacement for the paddle, we're just gonna go ahead and copy over all the components of the paddle over to the bunny. So it's basically the exact same thing. It basically is the exact same thing, just a bunny. So I just copied all the components from the paddle to the bunny, to the bunny, to the bunny. So now I'm gonna disable this paddle and see if the bunny works the exact same way. Alright, we got a bunny. Oh wait, let me make sure I can get the ball to the other side. Yeah. That's how you play Pong. Let me restart that one. Okay, bunny. Yay, oh. Whoa, that's, oh, that's right. We have to apply the bounciness factor. That's what's wrong. And it looks like I have to adjust the clamp. Yep, the clamp is severely off. So that's what I gotta fix next. Yeah. See, if we look right here for the bunny's box collider, the material, the physics material, is none. Whereas if you look at the paddle, the physics material is the bounce, where it's at. Zero resistance, zero friction. So that way, whenever the ball bounces on the bunny, it has zero friction. So that way, it just continues bouncing. Make sense? I hope so. You get it, right? You're smart. You watched episode 1 and 2. You should be able to know this by now. But in case you didn't, you can click on this link right here to see. Oh, donuts. Nice. Sorry. You can click on this playlist over here to see how we made Pong and how we're at this wonderful state of recreation. While you contemplate on clicking on that, I'm gonna go ahead and find this physics material. Boom. Okay. So let me just make sure that that works. Yeah, there we go. There's our bouncy bunny. That sounds kind of sexual, didn't it? Yeah. Bouncing bunny. Playboy. I wonder if I have any Playboy bunnies in the assets. No, my wife would kill me. Anyways. Okay. Now time to get the restrictions on this bunny so that way it doesn't move out of the game board. Okay, I just readjusted the clamps, as you can see right here. So what I did was I just brought the bunny up and brought the bunny down and pretty much just recorded what the coordinates were on the y-axis, and then I input those into the clamp function right here. So that's basically all I do for that. It's pretty simple. Like, programming it's very daunting at first. It's very, it's kind of scary sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. There's some times where I look at code and I'm just like, I don't even want to do this, or I don't even know what it's supposed to do. I don't even know what it's saying. But once you start out easy from the basics and just learn very simplistic coding, and you learn just one thing new every day, then it becomes so much easier. But for any programmers or game developers out there, just know that it does get easier, but it also gets harder at the same time, because the better you get, the more that you're going to try to execute, which will in turn lead you to a better programmer, developer, and an all-around better just critical thinker. But anyways, enough about that. Let's see if my bunny works. And now wait. Oh, okay, you scored on me. Okay, come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come on. Give me another one. Come at me, bro. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Give me another one. Yeah. On with the bunny. Yeah. You can't get past me. Yeah. Play on wins. Yeah. Sorry. So, our bunny is now the paddle. Let's bring that bunny onto the other side. So pretty much everything is the same, like whenever we had to duplicate the second paddle, but we still have to attach the separate script, which is player 2 script to the player 2 bunny. Okay, there's our player 2 script. Then I just have to adjust the clamp restrictions, and then we should have our bunnies in play. Okay, bunny 2 should be set up. Let's see if he works. Alright, we got our bunnies in the game. Now, let's see what we can change the ball to. I already had a ball in mind, but I didn't want to show you guys quite yet. I kind of wanted it to be a surprise. I usually love animals, okay? But these bunnies, you know what, cute and cuddly bunnies, there's a lot of TV shows that just like to abuse bunnies, so I figured why not just do the same with this game. So, I picked a ball that was just fitting. Here is the ball.
Oh! Spike ball of destruction, yeah!
But it's just not enough. What can we do to make this game better? Because I mean, come on, we just replaced it with bunnies and a ball. Spike ball. But now, I want to add a little something more. Let's make the bunnies get hurt whenever the ball collides with them. And then we'll add more and more and more and more and more and more until we get something new. So in order for the bunny to make this hurt animation, we need to make a script for it. So I'm going to create a script saying
hurt the cute little buck tooth bunny.
Yeah, this is just for the video. Don't usually name your scripts that long. So I'm going to insert some animations, and then whenever the ball hits the trigger on that bunny, it should trigger the animation. Just for a little touch of detail. I just wrote the script. Now, we just need to add the trigger and the animation to the little bunny. So I'm going to add physics. I'm going to add another box collider, and this one's going to be just the same as this one right here. However, it's going to be a trigger. Okay, we're going to mark that trigger, so now it's not calculated in the physics system. So if it's a trigger, that means it's not necessarily a box, but an area to detect if something has collided within that same region. This box collider is 1.42, and then we're going to make the size the same, but just a little bit larger, so 3.2, just a little bit larger than the previous box collider, and then this one's going to be 1.2. If you'll notice, now we have a box outside the box, outside the bunny, and it's the trigger. Now we just need to add the animation. So animation, we're gonna want the hit animation, just to make sure hit. That's our hit animation right there for the rabbit. Okay, so we don't want it to play automatically, so I'm gonna uncheck this, because if I check this, then it's gonna play as soon as the scene starts. So we have our animation, we have the trigger, we have the script attached to it, and I already did it for the first one. See, box collider is trigger, animation. Think I got it? Let's see if we get it the first time. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh, that poor little bunny. We have accomplished what we wanted to do. So what can we do now? Well, let's think. What can we not only add, but take away? I think I want to make it bigger. I want to add more. I want to change the concept. So what do I want to do? I want to increase the board size. I want to take out the extra paddle, and I want to add more spiky balls of death to this game of Pong. Yeah, let's do it. We got a lot to change now. There we go. Now that's a game board. So bring this little bunny over here. So we have our little bunny that's gonna defend the Great Wall against the spiky balls of death. Is he big enough? Yeah, we'll keep him that size for right now. Took out the second bunny. Bunny's gone. The game board is much bigger. And now I want to add more spiky balls of death. So what do I need to do? So I pretty much already have the random generator here in the middle. So I want to move all these points over here, and then I want to generate more balls at the same time. Rather than just one at a time, I want more at the same time. And they're all going to be going this way, towards the bunny. Winning conditions. Are there winning conditions? Or do we just want to pulverize this bunny? You know what? Let's get the balls in there, and then we'll figure that part out in a little bit. Whew. Okay. I just changed a lot. So much I had to write it down so that way I don't forget any of this. So what did I do? I changed the player 2 text from player 2 wins to you lose. Changed player 1 to you win. If 10 balls get past you, you lose. If you're able to get 10 balls into the other side, then, oh wait, 20. If 20 balls bounce to the other side, you win. I had to create a coroutine for the spawn ball so that way it'll produce a spike ball every 2 to 3 seconds from a different spawn location right around here in this area. I moved it from the middle over to the right so I had more time to prepare my bunny to block the spike balls. And I changed the direction from going right to left because it only makes sense. I haven't tested it yet, but it might not work. Just fair warning. Let's see if it works. Play. There's my bunny. Oh, what the hell? Well, it works. What the hell? Oh my god, what the hell? So what I did works great. So what do I need to do? I need to fix the clamp constraints, and I need to bring back my camera so that way it'll actually be able to see the whole game board. Oh, yay! I lose! Awesome. Alright, just fix the clamp for the little bunny and the scripts. Now I need to take my camera and widen it out. There we go. Perfect. Okay, awesome. Now I just need to move the score and score 2 over just a little bit. Okay. So let's see what that looks like. Why is my bunny in the... Oh, right. I gotta switch him over to the other side. Ah! This is so interesting. Is this the AAA title of a lifetime? Not even close. Okay, so it's all going in a down direction. I need to fix that to where it goes multiple directions. I also need to fix it to where I can... I need to fix a lot. Stay tuned while I go to the background. Probably get a snack because I'm effing starving right now. So I create an array so that way the ball can have different values whenever it travels to my side of the board. And I change the bunny location to where it's on the left side of the board. And I got a healthy snack. Whenever you're programming, you want to make sure you eat healthy.
Oh, donuts. Nice.
Helps a lot. I'm gonna press play. We're gonna see what happens. Okay, I'm on this side. Okay, well the bunny works. What just happened? This is like Minesweeper gone wrong. Okay, let's stop that before I break the game. Okay. Back to the drawing board. Ah, stupid. I see what I did wrong. Very noob move. So if you look right here, I added separate values to the ball script, which is what I intended on doing, which was what I needed to do. But I added it to the wrong freaking ball. Where I should have added those to is the spike ball, which if you look, doesn't have them. So now, do -5, -10, -15, -20, -25. Okay, so I'm gonna file, save scene, because you always want to save. Save your scene, save your scripts, because you never know when it's gonna crash. Trust me on this. It has happened, and you will lose some shit if you do not. You will become angry, and you may turn green. I'm not sure. That's your temper level. Save often. So I added all these. I added all the values. So let's see if that didn't fix the problem. Okay, what did I do wrong? So I did make this board a whole lot bigger. Originally, I had the ball initial velocity at -15. Even then, it didn't move that fast. And I had it on -5 for God's sake. So I increased the values. Maybe that will fix this issue. Nope. Didn't fix it. I think I figured out what the issue was. So I'm going to press play right now. And we're gonna see what happens. And play. Yay! My spiky balls of death are working. Okay. Ow! No! Okay, guys, this is it. I'm gonna try to win this. No! Oh man, I don't think we're gonna make it, guys. I lose. I think I need a bigger bunny. Alright, now that's a big. Yeah, there we go. This guy looks like a Chester. With those buck teeth, he looks like a Chester. So he is Chester the bunny. We made a different kind of game with a new concept. This is just an example, okay? We didn't go full on balls to the wall. I was 1 point away! This is just an example of what you can do to actually improve the essence of a game. Okay, we can do so much more. This is merely just an example. What you can do with your imagination, even if it's just a simple game. Excuse me one moment. Yeah! Even if it's just a simple game like this. I hope you guys realize that there's no limits to what you can do as far as game creation. Okay? The possibilities are endless. All you have to do is imagine and believe, and then pour out hours of your life into a computer screen to make something happen that will eventually lead you to insanity and happiness at the same time. Is that where I was going with this? Yeah. Yes, it was. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that episode. That was interesting. That was a lot of fun. Oh. And that gets slightly itchy after a while. Oh, yeah. So that was the recreation of Pong. But if you guys have any suggestions of how Pong could also be made different, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like the video, then shuriken that like button, mother... Hey, whoa! Easy! Boy, you said you wanted it to be Monkey Ninja games, right? Yeah, shuriken that like button. Mother... Or get something? Fine. Thanks. Anytime. Anyways, if you liked this video, check out my channel. There's a lot more content like this. Just click this button to go to my channel and subscribe if you like the content. If I make you smile, laugh, or learn something new. Anyways, guys, that wraps up Pong the series. Next on the next Let's Recreate, I choose a game that completely took over the App Store with very minimal effort. It's a game that you hated, but you couldn't put it down. You'll find that out on the next Let's Recreate. So until next time, remember, together we will play, we will experience, and we will create. I'll see you guys next time. Later.